AI has completely changed how we write any kind of a research document. It summarizes faster, write better, and sometimes generate a reference in seconds. But there is a problem no one is talking about is the authenticity of those references and the writing quality which you get with the help of these AI tools. Some of the most confident AI written documents sometimes don't have any reference or source behind. And sometimes the citations looks real, but they do not exist at all. Recently, I came across a tool which do not help you to write more. It helps you to verify which you already have written. It checks whether your claims are backed by real papers and whether your citation actually exists. You can access the tool from the link available in description and can log in just by using your Gmail ID. When you sign in the tool by using Google account, you can see two powerful features of Citely.ai, as this tool claims to find sources in seconds and cite only what's real. You can find the sources of any text which you have already written, and you can verify the already generated references by its using two very prominent features. And we are going to have a hands-on on this to see this how it works in a stepwise manner. This is the very prominent feature which makes this tool very reliable for academic use, as it has been integrated with the leading academic databases, including Crossref, RxIV, OpenIX, PubMed, Semantic Scholar, and much more. So you can use this tool just by clicking on the feature you want to explore, and you will see these two features here. First, I will go for its find source feature, and I can use even the example sample to verify, or it's better to go with your document, as I'm going to copy this specific paragraph from my writing, which I have done with the help of AI, and I'm going to paste it here. And you can use 300 characters maximum in one go. So verification of the tools follow step-by-step process, and you can see that a list of references which are supporting that specific argument. So AI-powered marketing and artificial intelligence into marketing strategies had emerged as a revolutionary force, fundamentally altering the landscape, how business engage with consumers and optimize their operations. So this paper is AI-powered marketing, what, where, and how, and I can view the source just by clicking on it, AI-powered marketing, and I can even copy this citation in a style which I want. In the same way, another option, generative artificial intelligence in marketing application opportunities, challenges, and research agenda. I can view the source in the same way, and I copy the style in which I want to, and then I will paste it in my research list. And here I can see a list of papers which have been specifically addressing that specific paragraph which I entered I want to cite. I can select the most related article just by going through this specific TDR of that paper, which allows me to find that how this topic has been covered in that specific paper. And its second feature definitely going to help you to verify the already gathered literature. And for example, this is the list of references, and I want to cross verify the authenticity of these references, that either they are exist in literature or not. I will copy them and will paste them here. The cross verification of each reference will cost 1 credit. So I have to be very sure at this stage that which reference I want to cross verify. So I will suggest you make a list of the references which are not working, you are unable to find their DOI, or you are unable to find their proper reference. Put them in this list. In this way, you will be able to cross check them and analyze content pattern, running AI detection algorithm, cross referencing written style, and finalizing authenticity score. And by following this step-by-step verification process by Citely.ai, you will be able to find the missing data about that specific paper. So these papers are verified, their title is available, their authors are around 75% correct in this paper, and this is the date similarity. Date is also matching with the provided reference. So what is missing and what is matching I can see here, and even I can cross check that paper by clicking the title provided by the tool. Again, as you can see, this reference has not been found. Its title is only 39.5% similar, authors are not similar to the available online data, and date is similar. So this is the
Title: A Role of Artificial Intelligence in Marketing, a Paradigm Shift, International Journals for Multidisciplinary Research. Artificial Paradigm Shift of Pharmaceutical Sciences, a review. So I will click on it. This paper was not available, so I have to find a most relevant paper, sourced paper. So this is the paper which is Artificial Intelligence in the Paradigm Shift of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and this is that paper which Citely.ai suggests me. So I have better choice to rather going for a wrong reference or the reference which not exist, actually the best alternative available. So in this way, this tool helps you to verify all the references to find the best alternative, best match. So 6 are verified, 2 are mismatched, and 1 was not found.
So Citely is a tool which every researcher need. You can access the tool from the link available in description, and you can use its free credits to check the credibility of the document we are working on. If you need any assistance, you can visit my website. The link is available below, and you can reach me out through comment section or the WhatsApp number given below. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.